So our partner feeds in and gives them a bounce, same as before. And what we want to do is put our hand right on the lower back and make sure there's no backward recoil or upward recoil. And if we feel any recoil, we just create a bit of relaxation sinking. So from the hand down to the foot, so there's a little bit of backward recoil. And hold that pressure there so your partner knows that they're pulling back at the end of the issue. And while you're putting sung into your partner's body, they're going to have to rebalance themselves. This area here, you want to make sure that it's going down and forward. So it's doing this type of a release. Any upward bounce or any recoil back, we want to totally eliminate that. It's a wasted energy, and it's a sign of tension being held in your upper body. So if I bounce someone, I do a little bit of a hop at the end, it's tension in my body recoiling. If I'm going back like this, it's tension rebalancing at self-defined grounding. So keep your hand on your partner's lower back, just keep releasing, make sure they don't go backwards after the issue or pop back up after the issue. So they just soften down, under and forward, and keep that feeling of release through their body. So from the point of contact on the lower back, just relax down to their feet during the feed, during the issue, and after the issue. And if they're still popping up, hold them in place so they can't physically pop up. You mechanically stop them, and they'll feel that, oh, I'm not allowed to do that, and they'll start going with that flow and correcting that error. Okay, have a play.